Tanga Silicon Marine Park is unique nationally and internationally for the presence and high abundance of the silicons. Lantmelia calimnae. The rare living fossil fish was last discovered in the coastal waters of Tanzania in 2003, and since then it has been sighted frequently within the Tanga Silicon Marine Park area. Before the silicons were only found in the Comoros and very few in South Africa and Indonesia. Today, many of the park's residents see the silicons as an icon for their rich coastal resources and the opportunities for ecotourism. Silicons, a critically endangered species, are of enormous scientific interest. Are they among the oldest fish on the earth, dating from the era when marine animals started moving out of the sea and populating the land. Silicons predate even the dinosaurs by over 300 million years. The park was gazetted in 2009, and the area stretches from Tanga Bay outward beyond the fishing village of Kigombe. The park also includes Totten Island, Mombani Bay, the Yambe and Kalangi Islands, where most of the silicons have been found so far. Kigombe is one of the biggest fishing villages along the Tanzanian coastline. You can explore all the endless beaches in the magnificent mangroves, or you have a look at the Kingfisher House light at the southern end of the village, built in colonial times in the early 20th century. From where you have a beautiful view of Kigombe Harbor, the Tanga Silicon Marine Park office is located in Kigombe village. Totten Island is located in Tanga Bay directly opposite Tanga Harbor. The island is covered by a large coastal forest with huge bamboo trees and also ruins of early settlements. When the Portuguese controlled part of the coast, Totten Island seems to have used it for prison. Later, according to historical records, the island was around 1854 occupied by a considerable number of inhabitants. Islamic monochrome and Chinese blue and white shirts most of the 15th, 16th, and the late 18th and 19th centuries have been found here. There are also ruins of two mosques, one built water tank and German tombs of the turn of 19th century, as well as foundational ruins building of the German colonial era, when Totten Island served as a quarantine station and a European Glavian. Thus is named Totten Island, which is German for Island of the Dead. The park is home to other endangered species like dugong, which was sighted in 2006 off Kigombe, sea turtles, dolphins, and migratory waterbirds. The park seeks to address unsustainable resource use issues and practices, featuring silicon protection prominently as a key component for achieving its species and biodiversity conservation objective. Maziwe Island Marine Reserve, one of the most important nesting sites in the coast of East Africa with marine turtles. The island is located a few kilometers off Pangani coast. Was declared as marine reserve in 1975. Maziwe remains an ideal place for swimming, snorkeling, and diving, as well as research expedition, sunbathing, and watching dazzling tropical fish. The area is ideal for underwater adventures and is among the best diving destinations along the East African coast, with a wide variety of underwater life. There are wide ranges of marine species diversity within the Maziwe Island Marine Reserve. Over 200 special fish, 35 genera of corals, soft and nutty, number of sea grasses, many types of birds, different algae, and sponges. Marine Parks and Reserves Unit, in collaboration with the local communities, formed a joint project to conserve the sea turtles. Tanga Marine Reserve System encompasses 4 island reserves of Kirui, Mwewe, Kwale, and Ulenge, which form a unique ecological system lying along and adjacent to coastline and surrounding water that comprise of diverse coastal marine habitats ranging from luxuriant fringing corals, sea glass bays, and an almost continuous triple mangrove stands. All Tanga Marine Reserve systems constitute important bird lodging sites. Nature trails and bird watching possibly could be related as tourist attractions. As the islands were once inhabited, they have remained with the cultural values linked to the adjacent communities, such as historical loins, tradition, and spiritual connections as ancestral glaciers and sacred groves. These are potential amenities for community-based ecotourism and other recreational promotions. Mangrove is the main feature in the intertidal zones of all Tanga Marine Reserve systems. All the mangrove species found in Tanzania are found in the Tanga Marine Reserve system.